Mumbai is a city where history and modern life exist side by side. Towering skyscrapers overlook Victorian architecture, bustling markets surround elegant colonial buildings, and some of India's most fascinating hotels continue to preserve the grandeur of a bygone era while remaining surprisingly accessible to modern travelers. Many visitors assume that staying in one of Mumbai's heritage hotels requires an extravagant budget. In reality, careful planning and flexible travel dates can uncover beautifully restored colonial properties that deliver timeless elegance, exceptional service, and remarkable character for far less than many people expect. Most of these heritage stays are found in South Mumbai, home to some of the city's most iconic landmarks. Grand boulevards, historic railway stations, waterfront promenades, museums, and vibrant cafes combine to create a district that feels like an open-air museum while remaining one of India's most exciting places to explore. By the end of this video, you'll know which Mumbai Heritage Hotel offers the best value for your style of travel. Whether you're searching for old-world elegance, convenient sightseeing, or simply a memorable place to stay, choosing the right hotel can completely transform your Mumbai experience. Our first recommendation is the Gordon House Hotel, a boutique property in Colaba that blends contemporary comfort with heritage surroundings. Depending on the season, rooms can often be found at surprisingly competitive prices, making it one of South Mumbai's strongest value options. The interiors combine stylish modern design with subtle colonial influences, creating an atmosphere that feels welcoming without losing the charm of the neighborhood. Comfortable rooms, attentive service, and thoughtful amenities provide an experience that consistently exceeds expectations for the typical nightly rate. Location is one of the hotel's greatest strengths. The Gateway of India, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, Colaba Causeway, and the Arabian Sea waterfront are all within easy walking distance, allowing guests to experience many of Mumbai's most famous attractions without relying heavily on transport. Guests frequently praise the convenience of being able to step outside and immediately immerse themselves in the city's historic heart. Excellent restaurants, lively cafes, local markets, and cultural landmarks all contribute to making the Gordon House Hotel an outstanding base for first-time visitors. Our second recommendation is Residency Hotel Fort, a charming boutique hotel situated in one of Mumbai's most historic districts. The property combines warm hospitality with classic architecture and has earned a reputation for delivering dependable comfort at a price that represents excellent value. Rooms are thoughtfully designed with modern conveniences while maintaining an understated elegance that complements the surrounding heritage precinct. Complimentary breakfast, reliable Wi-Fi, and consistently attentive service further enhance the overall experience. From here, many of Mumbai's most celebrated colonial landmarks are easily accessible. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Horniman Circle, museums, art galleries, and historic streets filled with impressive Victorian architecture are all within comfortable reach, making the hotel particularly appealing for travelers interested in the city's remarkable history. Our third recommendation is the Ambassador, Marine Drive, a hotel that has welcomed visitors for decades while overlooking one of Mumbai's most famous waterfronts. Its Art Deco heritage, spacious accommodation, and prime location combine to create an experience that feels distinctly connected to the city's rich architectural past. Whether enjoying views across Marine Drive, exploring nearby cultural attractions, or simply appreciating the timeless character of South Mumbai, the first three hotels already demonstrate that experiencing colonial grandeur doesn't have to come with an extravagant price tag. But there are still two remarkable heritage stays to discover, including one that may offer the perfect balance of history, location, comfort, and value for your style of travel. The first three hotels each offer a unique way to experience Mumbai's rich architectural heritage. The Gordon House Hotel places you in the heart of Colaba. Residency Hotel Fort is perfect for exploring the city's historic center, while the Ambassador combines classic elegance with one of Mumbai's most famous waterfront locations. Our fourth recommendation is Abode Bombay, a beautifully restored boutique hotel that has become one of South Mumbai's most admired heritage stays. While room rates vary throughout the year, booking outside peak travel periods can often reveal excellent value for travelers seeking something truly distinctive. Every room has its own individual character, blending restored colonial architecture with carefully selected contemporary furnishings. Rather than feeling like a conventional hotel, the property offers an intimate atmosphere where thoughtful design and personalized service create a memorable stay. Its location in Colaba places guests within walking distance of many of Mumbai's most celebrated attractions. Historic streets, cafes, museums, art galleries, and the Gateway of India can all be explored at a relaxed pace while allowing visitors to appreciate the unique atmosphere that defines this part of the city. Our final recommendation is the Elphinstone Hotel, a heritage-inspired property that consistently appeals to travelers looking for traditional character combined with modern convenience. Although more modest than some luxury heritage hotels, it regularly delivers exceptional value thanks to its comfortable accommodation and welcoming service. Inside, guests can expect spacious rooms, classic decor, reliable amenities, and a calm environment that provides a welcome retreat after a busy day exploring Mumbai. For travelers who appreciate history without unnecessary extravagance, it offers an appealing balance between affordability and authentic charm. Looking across all 5 hotels, each offers a different perspective on Mumbai's remarkable colonial legacy. The Gordon House Hotel excels for location. Residency Hotel Fort is ideal for history enthusiasts. The Ambassador captures the elegance of Marine Drive. Abode Bombay delivers boutique sophistication, while the Elphinstone Hotel provides dependable heritage value at an accessible price. So which hotel offers the best value for your style of travel? If you want to immerse yourself in Colaba's vibrant atmosphere, the Gordon House Hotel and Abode Bombay are excellent choices. Travelers focused on history may prefer Residency Hotel Fort, while Marine Drive lovers will appreciate the Ambassador. Those seeking dependable comfort at an attractive price are likely to find the Elphinstone Hotel offers outstanding overall value. One of the easiest ways to enjoy Mumbai's heritage hotels for less is by traveling outside major holiday periods and booking several weeks in advance. Seasonal promotions can significantly reduce nightly rates while increasing your choice of rooms, making these historic properties far more affordable than many visitors expect. The beauty of staying in South Mumbai extends well beyond the hotel itself. The Gateway of India, Marine Drive, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, the Prince of Wales Museum, art galleries, bustling cafes, and centuries of fascinating architecture are all close enough to explore without spending hours traveling across the city. This combination of history, culture, and surprisingly accessible accommodation continues to make South Mumbai one of India's most rewarding destinations. Few cities allow visitors to experience so much colonial grandeur while still offering heritage hotels that represent genuine value for money. By the end of this video, you now know which Mumbai Heritage Hotel offers the best value for your style of travel. Whether you're searching for timeless elegance, boutique character, a prime historic location, or simply the best balance between comfort and price, these heritage stays prove that experiencing colonial Mumbai doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag.